Another tip, if you happen to get wall paint on the ceiling, you can touch it up. Basically what you want to do is get a color that's compatible to the ceiling color. Take your brush and just kind of feather it in wherever it is. Just feather some paint on there, that's about it. That'll take care of any marks from the wall onto the ceiling. We had primed the trim and then we filled it with painter's putty, filled the holes with painter's putty. The reason you want to do that is because the painter's putty has something to bite to, the primer's already on, and then when the finish goes on, that's going to prevent the painter's putty from becoming loose and popping out of the trim down the road, and that's why you'd want to do it in that order. Here's a good example of why you're going to caulk, why you're going to paint the trim first into the wall, and then you're going to roll out, cut the wall in, and then roll out the wall. As you see here, the trim going down is caulked after it's primed. That takes care of the gap or the space in between the door casing and the wall. Then you're going to paint the trim bottom up, paint into the paint, and paint this edge into the wall. Then when you're cutting in your wall, you take your brush and you're going to cut a nice straight line like this, painting into the paint, and what you'll have is a nice cut-in line. If you look at the wall the way I'm facing, you won't see paint from the trim onto the wall or paint from the wall onto the trim. If you look at it at an angle, you won't see wall paint all over the trim.